Peace and love, everybody. This is Young Nas from iGotOptions LLC, and in this video I want to talk about the difference between chart patterns and candlestick patterns. In hindsight, they may sound like the same thing, like aren't candlesticks a part of charts? Like what's the difference? And I'm going to explain that right now. So when I say chart patterns, I'm referring to patterns that deal with the overall direction and trend of how a stock is moving. So let's take this for example. I see how this stock is seeing resistance at around this price, and I see how this stock is bouncing off of this support. So we see how the stock goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up, goes down, but it does so within these boundaries. All right, so this chart pattern is called a channel, right? Because it's stuck in between these boundaries. It hasn't broken below, it hasn't broken down. Now, eventually, this will lead to a breakout. So we see how it broke down to the downside, and then it went back up, and then it broke to the upside. All right, so that's what chart patterns are. Now, with candlestick patterns, you're focusing solely on a sequence of candlesticks. So for example, these two candlesticks right here, we see this green candlestick right here and this red candlestick right here that follows it. Now these two candlesticks can represent a candlestick pattern, right? This looks similar to tweezer tops, which is something I'll dive into in another video. However, it ultimately signals a downtrend, right? It signals a bearish reversal. So the fact that we see these two candlesticks form in this sequence and they're near a resistance level increases the likelihood that we'll see it continue to go down lower. All right, so that's the main difference between chart patterns and candlestick patterns.